How much could a trained gorilla on steroids bench press? I already answered how much a gorilla could deadlift in this video right here, but today we are going to be looking at the bench press, which is one of the most impressive compound exercises that a power lifter or just any weightlifter can do. There are many variations of the bench press, but for this video we will be calculating the estimated flat bench press of a gorilla. The heaviest wild gorilla ever recorded weighed between 263 and 267 kilograms. Unfortunately, the reason the gorilla was able to be weighed is because it was shot by hunters in Cameroon. However, assuming that this gorilla was taken in to be trained for weightlifting instead of shot, how much would he be able to bench press? Gorillas are estimated to be 4 to 9 times stronger than a human. Let's split this right in the middle and say an untrained gorilla is 6 times stronger than a human. But what if this gorilla, let's name him Jimbo, was taken in and trained by power lifters to reach his full potential of being 9 times stronger than a human? The world record raw bench press was set by Julius Maddox in 2022 at the Go Strong Hybrid Showdown. Maddox benched an extremely impressive 783 pounds. What makes this record even more impressive is that Maddox did this with no equipment except wrist wraps, no bench shirt, and no belt. Also, for those that don't know, a bench shirt is a shirt made out of very rigid material that supports a lifter's deltoid muscles and shoulders, which makes the lift slightly easier. Now, for the sake of this video, we will say that Maddox is the one that takes in Jimbo and trains him for the world record bench press. At the time of his record, Julius Maddox weighed about 460 pounds, which means he benched 170% of his body weight. If he trained the gorilla to be able to achieve the same feat as a human, Jimbo would be able to bench an impressive 1,002 pounds raw. However, since this trained gorilla is estimated to be 9 times stronger than a human, Jimbo would be able to bench press 9,018 pounds. This is the equivalent of lifting a Ford F-350 with 11 washing machines in the bed. I don't even think that many washing machines would fit, but that's the math. This bench press weight is extremely impressive, but what if it isn't? Just kidding, it is very impressive, but what if this gorilla wanted to go even farther and further destroy the world record for bench press with the assistance of steroids? Steroids are a very taboo topic in the world of personal fitness, especially in the United States, so I won't go into whether using them is right or wrong, but for the sake of making this video more interesting, let's say that Jimbo wants to use some steroids. According to The Science of Steroids, an article written by Greg Nuckols in 2014, steroids provide about a 10% strength increase overall in humans. Now, from the research I've done, I can't really find out how much steroids affect animals, and I feel like it would be kind of messed up if scientists were doing those experiments, but we're just gonna say that a gorilla would get the same strength increase from steroids as a human. With these assumptions, we can finally say that Jimbo, the heaviest bodyweight gorilla on steroids who's been trained by Julius Maddox, could bench press 9,919.8 pounds, which is about 4,500 kilograms. Only about 1.3% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. It would mean a lot to me if you guys would subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. It's free and you can always undo it later if you decide that you hate me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching to the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.